Hello, gorgeous. So today we're going to be talking about skincare empties. Now, I test out a great deal of skincare and I couldn't wait to share my results with you. Were they actually worth it? Were they really effective? And would I repurchase them? So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And today it's all about skincare empties. Now, like I said, I test out a great deal of skincare products and some of them work and some of them don't work. Some of them are pricey and some of them are absolutely affordable. And I couldn't wait to share what my results were with you. To start out with, my skin is normal to dry. I have hyperpigmentation. I have fine lines. I've not gotten any work done. You know what I mean. Yeah, no work done. So let's get into the video. Now, the first product I wanted to share with you, I'm already on my second bottle. This is actually for the entire body. It's actually the Avene Daily Moisturizing Oil Mist with oat oil and jojoba oil. Now, this is such a unique product. It's an oil and you actually spray it on your body after you get out of the shower. I do this religiously every time I step out of the shower. I spray it on while my skin is still damp so you can seal in that moisture barrier. And I've never had to use any additional moisturizer or lotion throughout the day. Okay, now I've got to put on my specs for this. It's 98% naturally derived. It has oat oil, which is rich in lipids and fatty acids to help condition the skin. It also contains jojoba oil, which contains up to 2 times vitamin E as shea butter. Now, it's formulated without parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, silicones, drying alcohol, or synthetic dyes. It's also hyperallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin. You guys, this is such a dream come true for me. Like I said, I'm on my second bottle. It has such a beautiful herbaceous smell that smells kind of yummy. It's not greasy. It absorbs quickly into the skin, and I find it to be super effective, especially during these cold winter months. I am quite liberal with it, especially on my legs. My legs tend to get super dry during the winter months, but it retails for about $8.99. I picked it up at Target, and I have not been able to put it down since. As you can see, I have almost a full bottle here, but I absolutely love it. It says on the bottle 1,000 pumps. Really? Maybe I need to count. If you're looking for something that's going to condition your dry winter skin, or even in the summertime, I highly recommend the Avene Daily Moisturizing Oil Mist. It claims smoother, more even skin in 1 week. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it's not greasy, it's very light in the formula, and it just has a fantastic scent. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. And it comes out in a really nice spritz, and you just massage it into your skin, and it's so hydrating and so beautiful. Absolutely love it. And it smells so delicious. I don't know what that scent is, but it smells fantastic. But yes, the Avene Daily Moisturizing Oil Mist. I'm going to talk about a hair product. I actually bought this in the trial size, the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat and UV Protective Primer. Now this is the full size. I already went through the travel size within like 6 months. It actually lasted for a very long time. But when I ran out, I realized it is absolutely necessary after I wash my hair. Now that my hair is growing out, I find when I get out of the shower, it kind of gets tangled up. So this is the perfect way to detangle my hair, but also infuse it with a primer. This is for dry to very dry hair, and I think that's why it works so well since I do have processed hair. I mean, I do color it from time to time, but you just add a few spritz to your hair once you get out of the shower, and then I like to take a wide tooth comb and comb it out. Not only does it detangle my hair, I find that my hair is breaking less, and it just primes my hair and offers it that UV protection primer when I blow dry my hair. Now, I usually blow dry my hair maybe twice a week just so I don't create any more heat damage, but I find using the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil is fantastic. It detangles my hair and it protects it against the heat. I absolutely highly recommend the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil. Let's talk about chemical exfoliants. I used to be obsessed with a Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. This is probably my 3rd or 4th bottle. But, and there's a big but here, But then I was sent NPR, Youth to the People's new Mandelic Acid and Superfood Unity Exfoliant. Now it's 3% AHA and 2% BHA and 1% PHA gentle solution, completely empty. So I tested it out religiously and I went through the entire bottle, as you can see. What I didn't realize how gentle this exfoliant is on my skin. I thought Paula's Choice was the bee's knees for me. I thought this was my holy grail. But after testing this out for the last several months, I did not realize how fantastic this is. Now, it contains mandelic acid, which promotes collagen production, helps with hyperpigmentation, it's anti-aging, and it dissolves the tiny bonds that hold skin cells together, thus removing dead skin cells on your complexion. And it does it so gentle. It does have an herbaceous scent, which I kind of like. It's super gentle on the skin, and the way you use it is that you put it on a cotton pad. What I love is I use these reusable cotton pads. After I use them, I just throw them into the wash. That way I'm not creating extra waste. I hate going to the store and buying those cotton pads and then just throwing them in the trash. This contains kale, licorice root, and green tea. It's super gentle on my skin, and the way that I use it is I just apply several drops to the cotton pad and I apply it just to my most porous areas where they need to be cleansed out. I don't necessarily do it all over my face. I just focus on the areas. Now, it does remove sebum, dirt, oils from those pores to clean them out. Now, pores do tend to look larger because they are pretty much dirty. And when I say dirty, it's filled with oils, leftover makeup, dirt. This is such a gentle exfoliant. It just cleans out the pores. It has a refreshing scent. It's super light. This is the kicker. When I ran out of this, I was like, oh, well, this was good. I really liked it, but I'm just going to go back to Paula's Choice. And the way that I used to apply this is I used to pour it into the palm of my hand, put my hands together, and tap it into my complexion. This is kind of scary, and I know everybody's results are different, but at the end of the day, I would see skin literally flaking off the palm of my hand and in between my fingers where this solution went through my fingers. It got to the point where I would just look at the palm of my hand at the end of the day, and I would just peel little bits of skin off the palm of my hand and in between my fingers. That kind of freaked me out. And I thought, if that's what it's doing to the palm of my hand, what is it doing to my face? So after using this for maybe a week after I ran out of Youth to the People's Mandelic and Superfood Unity Exfoliant, I went ahead and got another one. I went ahead and purchased a brand new bottle. I am so glad that I did. I feel like it's more gentle on my skin. It doesn't aggravate my skin whatsoever. I love using it on those reusable cotton pads. And I find that my hyperpigmentation and my skin just looks brighter. It looks softer. It looks clearer. Since it is anti-aging and it helps with my hyperpigmentation, I feel like it's really helped my skin. Don't get me wrong. I still love Paula's Choice, but I find that the Youth to the People is way more gentle on my complexion, and I just had better results with that. So, yes. Sorry. Let's talk about our eyelids. I know that's such a specific area of our face. I noticed as I was aging that my eyelids would get super crinkly and super wrinkly. Well, this is such a unique product, and I'm already on my second tube. It is from City Beauty, the Lid Lifting Treatment. The way that you use this is you use a tiny spot, not even a pea size, and you smooth it all over your lid, and it literally is like an iron, irons out the wrinkles, irons out the crinkles on your eyelids. It just creates such a smooth base on your eyelids, and it actually feels like it lifts and tightens that specific area where you're targeting. It has been a miracle worker, and I've been using this religiously, I think for the last 4 months, and I've seen a really huge difference. Eyeshadow goes on smoother, my eyeshadow doesn't get muddy, and it also doubles as an eye primer. Now, this is probably one of my favorite products from City Beauty, and they so graciously said, why don't you do a giveaway? And I was like, what? That is a great idea. I never do giveaways on my channel, but this is a product that I firmly believe in, and I would love to give you one of these. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Let's say leave a Christmas tree emoji. in the comments down below if you want to enter the giveaway. And also a way to contact me. I want to share this product with you because it is so good. It really has made a difference in my eyelids, and I firmly believe in this treatment. It tightens my eyelids, it smooths them out, it lifts my eyelids. I absolutely love it. But yes, the lid lifting treatment from City Beauty. No surprise here that this is an empty, and I have repurchased it. It is from Supergoop, their Glow Screen SPF 40. This is such a beautiful product. Now it also comes in a matte formula as well. I bought this probably back in February of this year. Went to the beach, used it every single day religiously because I never leave the house without sunscreen. It just has such a beautiful glow to the face, and it provides an SPF of 40, and it also doubles as a makeup primer, and that's what I absolutely love. You don't even really need a highlighter or a glowy primer underneath your complexion because it just beautifully peeks through. It smooths my skin, it doesn't settle into my fine lines, and the fact that it provides an SPF of 40 works for me. Second bottle of the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 40. Let's talk about vitamin C. Now, I have been testing out the CeraVital Vita Correct Solution, 15% ethyl, vitamin C, and kojic acid and ferulic acid. This, I literally got out my last pump this morning, but I have been absolutely loving it. Let me tell you what it is. It is a powerful formula visibly reducing the dark spots you already have and helps fight the emergence of future dark spots. Its potent ingredients are designed to reduce the appearance of even the most stubborn dark spots, plus fight the visibly damaging effects of free radicals. Use it on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. The brighter, the better. This is such a unique formula. It's kind of like an orange clear formula. It smells divine. It smells like oranges and vanilla. I mean, how amazing is that? It is kind of on the pricier side, but I have seen beautiful results. I just take one pump and I just tap it into my complexion. It absorbs quickly, and I have seen such a marked difference in my skin. I used to have really super bad hyperpigmentation and melasma and dark spots, but I find that this has really brightened up my skin. Now, would I repurchase this? This is my motto. If I try something, it works amazingly, and then I go to test out, let's say, another vitamin C serum, and I find that that's not producing the same results that I get from the previous one, I will go back and purchase it. I do love testing out skincare for our mature complexion, and I want to make sure that I test out a lot of products to see if it works for us. If the next vitamin C that I'm testing out, that I'm about to test out, doesn't work, I will probably repurchase this. But this is the CeraVital Vita Correct Solution. The last and final product that I wanted to share with you is an eyelash serum. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, I have been grieving the loss of my lashes. Typically, you're supposed to have about 90 to 150 eyelashes, but during the fall season, like September and October, you do tend to lose your eyelashes. Think of it as the leaves falling off the trees. That's exactly what my eyelashes were doing. And it probably doesn't help that I'm going through menopause, so there's so many contributing factors why I lost my eyelashes. I started using the Grand Lash MD serum. I picked this up in my Sephora's must-haves back at the beginning of November. I literally had bald spots, and I think I counted like 6 or 7 eyelashes on my left eye. I was super careful in removing my mascara on all 6 eyelashes, gently removing my makeup, and making sure that I don't aggravate that area. I also stopped curling my eyelashes, not to put any stress on them. When I started using this, I was like, hello, it's not working. I don't see any results. I don't see any growth. But after, give it about 6 to 8 weeks. I know, I am super impatient, but I finally started seeing results. Like, look at my eyelashes now. These are so long and so beautiful. I can't believe I actually have eyelashes. And I had a total bald spot on this eye, but there is growth. There is significant growth there. Does this work? Absolutely. And this was just the trial size, and now it's gone. And guess what? I am going to repurchase this because it's provided effective results. My eyelashes are growing, and yeah, the proof is in the pudding. Is it pricey? Yeah, I think for the travel size, it retails for $34, and the full size is $65. It's available at Ulta, and I'm sure you can get it at Sephora. I'm definitely going to repurchase this. And the way that you apply it, it literally looks like this. It has like a tiny little brush. You just put it along your lash band. Now, I ain't gonna lie, if you accidentally get it in your eye, it does sting. So be super careful as you apply it. I apply it every night after I do my normal nighttime routine, and this is the last step. Some of the side effects of the Grand Lash MD serum is dryness, itchiness, redness. If you do tend to experience any of those side effects, I would suggest to stop. Fortunately, I did not experience any of those. So like I said, I've been religiously applying this every night before I go to bed for the last 8 weeks solid. And it's amazing how long this little tube lasted. I mean, look at my eyelashes. I finally have eyelashes. Super exciting. Oh my gosh, I don't have a bald spot anymore. If you are suffering from short, stubby eyelashes, if you had bald spots like me, you just have to be patient. And I guess everybody's individual results will be different, but like I said, it took me about a good 6 weeks to see any sort of results, and now the results are totally beautiful. I mean, I'm so thrilled that I have eyelashes again. Highly recommend the Grand Lash MD Serum. Tiny but potent. Love it. Last, Empty. No surprise here. It is from City Beauty City Lips. It is their plumping lip gloss, particularly the clear one. I mean, look at this baby. She's almost done. Now, not only is it a good plumping lip gloss, the way that I use this is at night. After I brush my teeth and floss and do my entire skincare routine, I literally put this on before I go to bed. And I go outside the lines of my lips with the doe foot and literally go up through here. Because I have smoker lines, this is so hydrating and so plumping, and it stays on all night long. I wake up the next morning and my lips are still plumped. Like, it's insane. It has a lot of skin-loving ingredients. It doesn't sting. Well, it kind of tingles just a tiny bit, but it really leaves my lips so plump and so juicy. And the fact that I use it at night really helps with these smoker lines through here. This makes a fantastic lip mask at night. So that's how I utilize the clear one, but it's gorgeous. It also comes in stunning shades like shimmers and mattes. But if you want a good lip mask for night, the City Beauty City Lips Clear Plumping Lip Gloss. So if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and letting me share some of my skincare empties. Now, I know everybody's results will be different. I just wanted to share what was effective for me and what I really loved and what I wanted to repurchase. If you have a problem with dry skin this winter, I highly, highly recommend the Avene Oil Mist. Not only is it affordable and accessible, it really creates that wonderful moisture barrier, especially in these cold winter months. And the lid lifting treatment from City Beauty. Like I said, I'm going to have a giveaway. I think I'll have three lucky winners. Just make sure you leave that Christmas tree emoji down below in the comments section and a way for me to contact you. Oh, but in my next upcoming video, I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve get ready with me. We're going to glam it up, even if it's just going to the living room. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And if you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some more skincare reviews, check out the playlist up here. And for foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. But for now, mwah, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Are you serious? Thank you for calling Appeals. This is Catherine.